Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add cars to your favorites on the auto1.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, select the car. Tap on it and then click on this star icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen, so tap on it. And then if you want to check the items added to your favorites, click on this star icon that you can find down below. That's the third option. And here you can find all of the cars added to this watch list. If you want to delete any of these items from your list, tap on the relevant one and click on the star icon at the top again. And if you go back, you are going to see that it has been removed from this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.